Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Hello, it's Ruby. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Depop mystery bundle unboxing, try on and styling video. So I've seen a couple of people do this on YouTube and I love these videos. I always like to find new Depop sellers and like see how these mystery bundles work. The one that I watched was Twinelle's. I watched a bunch of her Depop mystery bundle videos and they were so good, so check them out. I will leave them linked below. So the store that I'm going to be talking about today is Nostalgic Threads, and this brand actually reached out to me on Instagram and wanted to send me a bit of a bundle. So basically I sent through some inspo photos of like things that I liked, what I was like kind of looking for, what I was in the mood for, and then obviously my measurements and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to take you through a little bit of like what their Depop looks like, what kind of items they have, and also their Instagram. So let's start with their Instagram. So this is basically their Instagram. They've got some cool stuff already. I like it. They've got cute jumpers, lots of vintage retro vibes. So it's basically, I would say this is like Y2K, like 90s style, a focus of the clothing. There's lots of like Disney, like old school Disney stuff, which I love. Some stripes. That's so Raven. Yes to That's So Raven. Vintage cardies, which I'm here for. And yeah, lots of cool things, some denim. I really like all this stuff. So let's go ahead to their Depop. I basically sent her, in terms of inspo, I sent kind of like fun patterned things or like lots of color, you know, my vibe, I like color. And yeah, like funky pants I'm really into at the moment. As you can see, this is my Lisa Says Scar pants. I'm actually obsessed with them. They're from Kirk Club in the UK, like a new online store, and honestly just the best. Like this is my vibe right now. So yeah, so I'm loving that kind of stuff at the moment. Basically, if you send me anything colorful, I will probably like it. So it's not that hard to please me, you know? So let's go ahead and open it. So I've got the parcel right here. This is it. I have opened it, but I haven't like looked through it yet. I just kind of tore it open. But already I'm loving what I'm seeing. This is definitely my vibe. Okay, first thing, I'm already pumped. Track jacket. We have a vintage track jacket. I honestly love, I have such a thing for vintage track jackets. I've got two favorites already. Well, I've got two of them and they're both my favorite. This is the third favorite. So one is from Attica London and one is from Linear Vintage, both two vintage stores. And honestly, I'm just pleased to add this one to my collection. Maybe I should do a vintage track jacket styling video, you know? What do you guys think? Let me know. But anyway, we've got this track jacket. It's got an amazing design. I just feel like this kind of purple and pink is such a retro vibe. This is also, this color teal is always in the track jackets. I feel like these colors are almost in the one that I already have, but there's not as much white in the one that I already have. So I like, because like the whole of the back one is white as well. So I like that. I like that it's a bit more, you know, it's a bit more chill. It's a bit more like, it's not like so in your face. It's obviously so cool and so retro, so colorful. I'm so excited to style this one. We're off to a good start. Okay. The next thing that we have is a cute little skirt. So this one looks good. I feel like I will probably cut it and crop it with a raw hem. Might be like an awkward like in between length. So I think I will try it on and crop it and see how it goes. I like the color of it. It's kind of like a washed out, I don't know if it's denim, but it's kind of like denim material. The back is cute as well. It's got the pockets. I feel like this will fit me good. It's a size, it says it's a size 4, but the waist size looks good. So I'm happy about that. I think it will fit great and go nice with some spring outfits, which I'm pumped about. Oh, okay, next. We love some printed stuff and we love green. So this is great. So we've got this amazing shirt. I love this. Oh, I'm so interested to see how I'm gonna style this. Yeah, I honestly love this print. I love the combination of the green and the black. I think it's so cool. And I feel like it'll look amazing with a pretty simple outfit, maybe like vintage Levi's or something. And some sneakers or some boots. Hell yes to this outfit. So here for this outfit. Okay, we've got a little cute crop top. I'm such a big fan of crop tops, as you guys know. Oh, this one has some cute detail. You can adjust at the back, so it's like little tie, like bow ties at the back, which I love. I love anything that's got like kind of a back detail or like a tie back. I'm so into that. It's got some lace detailing at the bottom, which is super cute and super nice. These little, you know, bows and things. I'm just here for this. I'm a big fan. I like it a lot. Okay, next up we have another shirt. We've got this white polka dot one with some blue polka dots. I feel like this one is good for me to crop. I would probably wear it as like a boxy, like oversized fit crop. It's a nice material. It's like super lightweight. I feel like it'd be good for spring, summer. It's Levi's actually, Levi's Strauss & Co, which is nice, good qual. Yeah, so this is the final piece of my Depop mystery bundle, and what a way to finish off this lime green, pistachio green shirt, cardigan kind of thing. It's kind of like an open cardi. Doesn't have any buttons, but it's got this detailing on the sleeves, which is super nice. I'm excited to try this on and see how it fits. It looks a little bit oversized, which I don't mind. I'm here for like an oversized cardi, but I love the color of it. It's such a nice color, pastel kind of green. Oh my god, I actually painted some shoes last night. I painted some sneakers for me, because I've been doing like a few for my friends, and I did some for a giveaway on my Instagram as well, like late last year. And I wanted to do one for me, so I did, and I feel like it's gonna exactly literally match this. I'll show you. Okay, like look at the color match on this. How wild. They literally exactly match. I haven't put the laces on these yet, but I will do that soon. I also need to seal them. They haven't been sealed. But yeah, how good. So excited that they match. It's gonna be a cute outfit. So for the first look, I'm wearing the skirt. I did crop and cut it with a raw hem. I potentially cut it too short, which is not ideal, but I think it's still wearable. I've decided to style this with a striped knit. I like that this jumper is a bit baggy and oversized, which I think is a nice contrast to the mini and more fitted style of the skirt. For shoes, I've decided on some knee-high boots, and these are so cute. They've got pink hearts all over them, so I thought it would be nice to match with a pink bag. Overall, I think this is a really cute look for spring. Next, I'm styling this amazing green shirt. This is definitely one of my fave pieces in this bundle. I wanted to keep the top as the main focus of this outfit, so I've styled it with some light wash Levi's jeans and some white sneakers, and I've added a green bag to match. So for the third look, we're styling this retro track jacket. Again, I wanted this piece to be the main pop of the outfit, so I've chosen to style it with some off-white cream coloured low-waist jeans. I've added some blue accessories with my bag and my Converse sneakers. I love how retro and cool this outfit is. I will definitely be rocking this one once we get out of lockdown. Next, I'm styling this amazing pistachio coloured cardi. I love a good lilac and mint combo, so I've chosen to pair this with a lilac crop tank and mini skirt. I've also kept my accessories purple with a little bag and some boots. I think the pastel colours in this look work amazingly together. So this is one of my fave ways to wear shirts. You just button up 2 or 3 of the buttons and then tie it in a knot at the back with a hair tie. This is an easy way to crop the shirt without having to cut it. I feel like this looks amazing with high waist styles, so I've chosen some pale green jeans, but this would also look good with a high waist skirt. And for the final piece, we have this little white crop top. I actually couldn't get the little bows tied at the back. Definitely need a secondary person to help with that. I do love the crop length of this one, but I feel like the armholes are a little bit too small for me. I paired this with my new fave pants and some purple accessories to tie together the whole look. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you to Nostalgic Threads for sending me all this cool stuff. I'm so excited to wear it, and check them out on Instagram and Depop. I will leave their handle linked below and on the screen right now. You can find me on Instagram, Depop, TikTok, and Pinterest. I'm going to be uploading quite a lot of stuff to Depop in the next few days and in the next coming weeks, so keep an eye out for that, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!